Want to remodel your home without breaking the bank? Here's how to do home remodeling on a budget and still get amazing results. First rule, plan everything. The biggest budget killer, last-minute decisions. Map out your remodel room by room and stick to it. Prioritize what truly needs upgrading, function over flash. Second, reuse and refresh. Don't toss those kitchen cabinets, reface or repaint them. New hardware and a fresh coat of paint can give your kitchen a designer feel without the designer price tag. Third, shop smart. Use discount outlets, Facebook Marketplace, and liquidation sales for everything from tiles to appliances. You'd be shocked at how many people sell brand new materials for half the price. Need new floors? Try luxury vinyl plank. It's durable, stylish, and a fraction of the cost of hardwood. Want a new backsplash? Peel and stick options are DIY friendly and look surprisingly high-end. Paint is your best friend. A fresh coat can change a room's entire vibe for under $100. Choose light, neutral colors to open up space and appeal to more buyers if you ever sell. Also, know where to splurge. Invest in areas that matter long-term, like plumbing, insulation, and energy-efficient windows. These upgrades save you money and add serious value over time. And don't forget, DIY doesn't mean do everything yourself. Know when to hire a pro, especially for electrical and structural work. It's cheaper to get it done right the first time than to fix a mistake. Final tip, focus on small changes with big impact. New light fixtures, updated faucets, or even modern house numbers can instantly boost your home's look and feel. Remodeling on a budget isn't about cutting corners, it's about getting creative. Like this video if you're ready to build your dream home for less. Affordable upgrades, big impact. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more budget tips.